What's up, Mimi gang? It's your girl Mimi. I ain't seen today. I am back with another video for y'all. And today, y'all, we are doing another wig install today. This is gonna be 20-inch body wave 5x5 closure wig. And side note, you guys see your girl got new bling shining with the butterflies and everything, y'all. It is so fire, y'all. I love it. And I got this from Shein as usual. If you guys are taking a look at this necklace, if you guys are looking to purchase this, I'll leave a link for it down below. But we are gonna get into the install. So the wig I got was from Amazon, of course, and the brand is called Coopy's Hair. Coupe or Coopy, I don't know how to pronounce it, but I looked at the hair before I put it on. I looked at the hair, and y'all, it is so fire. So I'm gonna open this box for you guys. As you guys can see, it is 100% human hair. So y'all, this is the wig, 20 inches body wave wig with a 5x5 closure and a stretch band and back comb, y'all. And y'all see the lace is really short, so all I can do is just put some makeup on it and put it on and call it a day. But I think I am gonna cut some of the lace off. So if you guys are interested in this video, please keep on watching. So before we get into the actual install, you guys already know I have got to prep my natural hair. Even though I moisturized it when I finished washing it, we are gonna go in with my Mielle Rosemary Mint Hair and Strengthening Oil. This is not only to moisturize my scalp, but also to promote hair growth. Alright, y'all, so as you can see, the lace is really tight around my head, but there are pieces of lacing in it, so I'm just gonna cut those off. That is a new. All right, y'all, so this is the finished look. This is 20-inch body weight 5x5 wig, y'all. This is a really cute wig, y'all. I don't care what anybody says. Amazon got the wigs, honey. I don't care what anybody says. Amazon got the wigs. So anyway, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys really like this video. If you guys are thinking about purchasing this hair, I'll leave a link for it down below. And like I said, if you guys want to purchase this cute jewelry necklace that I got from Shein, I'll also leave a link for that down below. But yeah, I hope you guys really like this video. Remember, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Turn on the post notifications to get notified. And also, if you want to keep up with me, follow me on all my socials. I will leave in the link below. And yeah, see you in my next video. Love you, gang. Stay blessed. Wondering why